Hello, it's Nick, and I'd like to welcome you to another additional resource for the Digital Divide. The resource I've selected is the Pew Internet and American Life project. You can see the URL here for those of you who would potentially be interested in traveling to it. But they actually have a lot of interesting information on here. The reason that I selected this article is that we've been learning about the digital divide, and the digital divide is basically the understanding that certain groups tend to have more internet access than others, and it's creating essentially those who have and those who have not, and widening, perpetuating gaps in income and socioeconomic status. And so the belief is that if we could change this thing by getting more internet access, we could sort of eliminate the digital divide. Well, obviously mobile technology is a relevant factor when we're talking about this whole thing, and that's what this article is talking about and why it got my interest. You can see today, as mobile technology puts computers in our pockets, Latinos and blacks are more likely than the general population to access the web by cell phones, and they use their phones more often to do more things. Well, the reason I thought that this was interesting was that, yeah, I think phones actually could have a huge impact in terms of eliminating this digital divide, and would provide access as more and more young people especially, but people in general tend to have mobile access. Maybe it decreases the need for these other kinds of technologies, like actually having a laptop at home, if you have a web connected device in your pocket at all times. Well, essentially they're saying that may be true in some cases, but not in all cases. What they're saying is that there's a difference. And so you can see mobile internet access is not the great equalizer. Essentially, people, it is an advantage to nothing to have the mobile device, but essentially research has shown that people with an actual connection at home, the ability to go online and a computer at home, are more engaged in a lot of different things than people who rely on access from work, a friend's house, or a phone. So essentially, although it's a step in the right direction, I don't know that we can yet credit the mobile revolution with alleviating the problems that are associated with the digital divide. One of the things they were talking about was, mobile devices are easy to post to social networking sites and the like, but to go on and apply for a job and things of that nature that could have a tangible impact on somebody's lifestyle are a lot more difficult to do, and actually still having some of that technology like a laptop or an actual desktop computer, those things actually do make a difference. So there's my article. Again, mobile is one of those things that's changing the nature of the internet, and certainly could impact the digital divide, increasing connectivity by increasing ease, but certainly it's not a panacea, and it's not a total solution to the problem as of just yet.